Thinking about renting an enterprise truck for your move? Before you book, here's what you should know to see if it's the right fit. Enterprise truck rental is best known for its commercial vehicles, but it's also a great option for local apartment moves, small household relocations, and hauling large items. Unlike many moving truck companies, Enterprise focuses mainly on local, round-trip rentals, so most trucks need to be returned to the same location. Enterprise offers several vehicle types, including cargo vans, box trucks, pickup trucks, and stake bed trucks. Cargo vans are ideal for studio apartments, deliveries, and smaller furniture. Box trucks are available in sizes up to 26 feet, making them suitable for everything from apartment moves to larger household relocations. If you're transporting equipment, landscaping supplies, or construction materials, pickup trucks and stake bed trucks may be a better choice. One thing to remember is that the exact truck size and features can vary by location, so it's always a good idea to confirm the vehicle specifications before reserving. Before booking, compare more than just the rental price. Check mileage charges, payload capacity, return policies, optional protection plans, and whether roadside assistance is available. Enterprise offers 24/7 roadside assistance, and you can also add optional protection plans for extra peace of mind during your rental. If you're moving during the summer, on a weekend, or at the end of the month, reserve your truck early. These are some of the busiest times, and availability can become limited. So, is Enterprise the right choice? If you're planning a local move, renting a cargo van, or need a truck for business or project-based hauling, Enterprise is a reliable option with a well-maintained fleet. However, if you're planning a one-way or cross-country move, another rental company may be a better fit. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.